All right, let's call it like it is. Buying a house in Chicago or the suburbs isn't scrolling down on Zillow. It's a battleground, and you don't walk into a fight without someone holding your corner. That's your buyer's agent. Think of us like Erin Brockovich with a real estate license. We're the ones chasing down the listings, standing toe-to-toe with your sellers and their agents, and negotiating the deals that can literally make or break whether you get the home or not, and how much you pay for it. It's done right, and we save you serious cash. And here's the truth. We don't get paid a dime until you get the keys in your hand. All that late night calls, the showings, the paperwork, the liability, and the stress, that's on us. And if you don't win, we don't win, period. So why do we do it? Because we know we can fight harder for you than you can do it on your own. We put our time, money, reputation, energy on every line single deal, and we succeed. And when we're done popping that champagne in your new kitchen, our compensation comes from what was agreed upon on the contract, a slice of the final sale price, and that's it. The bottom line is that in Chicago real estate, not everyone out to get you. There are agents ready to step into the ring for you, but we need your trust, and you go ahead to fight for the fight. We're the Erin Brockovich of real estate here in Chicago, and trust me, we're not backing down until you get the keys to your new home. So I hope you enjoyed this buyer series videos. I hope it answered a lot of your questions. But again, once we meet, you can ask all the questions that you might have in mind, and I will answer them.